Hey guys, it's Billy. I'm out here in front of the Shake Shack in Madison Square Park, ready to play a wonderful game, Indian or not Indian. I've got a great contestant too. What's your name?
My name's Jill.
And what are you doing in New York?
Oh, well, I live here.
Oh, and what do you do for work?
I'm an event planner.
Well, what kind of events do you plan?
Everything from small, intimate dinner parties to live televised concerts.
Wow, I had a bar mitzvah one.
Ooh, so did I.
Okay, great. Ready to play Indian or not Indian?
I sure am.
Okay, perfect. All right, this is how you play. I'm going to say the name of a celebrity. You have a very edgy Sharon Stone vibe, which I enjoy.
Are you going to make me spread my legs next?
I am not. Okay, here we go. I'm going to say the name of a celebrity, and if the celebrity is an Indian, you say Indian. If they're not Indian, you say not Indian. Get it?
Get it.
Okay, if you get 7 right in 30 seconds, you win a big prize.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, oh boy. Okay, ready? Put 30 seconds on the clock, please. Indian or not Indian? Jill, here we go. And away we go. Archie Punjabi from The Good Wife.
Indian.
Yes, correct. Prince.
Not Indian.
Correct. Ann Curry.
Not Indian.
Correct. Sanjaya.
Indian.
Correct. Shakira.
Not Indian.
Correct. Padma Lakshmi.
Indian.
Correct. Frida Pinto.
Indian.
Correct. Jimmy Smith. Winner! Yes, Jill, you win! You win! Look at Jill go! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Indian.
Indian! Yes! Whoa!
Oh, wait, let's do 3.
Oh my God! Oh, her hair's in my mouth!
My mom's going to be so proud.
Oh, God.
I'm the Jewish boy.
Oh, God. Well, thanks, Jill.
Well, thank you. Where's my prize?
You're gonna get, oh my God, your prize!
Another one.
I got so excited. It's close to another bar mitzvah.
What?
It's
Sanjaya?
close to Sanjaya. Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's John Lithgow's children's book, The Remarkable Farkle McBride.
Yeah.
Yes! Congratulations, Jill.
That's really cool.
Okay, shout out to John Lithgow. We'll
Love
see you soon, right, Jill?
Loved you on Dexter.
You're watching a one-time only digital sneak peek of Funny or Die's Billy on the Street. New episodes Thursdays at 11 p.m. 10 Central. Only on Fuse.